Yeah, just wanted to make this quick video here of this beautiful room. This is a superior room. I've stayed in a few other superior rooms, and this is beautiful. I've stayed in deluxe rooms, I've stayed in villas, I've stayed in a hostel for the first time last year, and it is good to reward yourself in life. But this is just a superior room. It's not over the top, but this room to me is absolutely fantastic. The view outside is awesome too. It's sad that there's no monkeys here at the moment, because like the monkeys are here aplenty. You cannot leave anything out. I did make a little clip yesterday of that, but yeah, I've just come back from a swim. The room's been made up, and that is so beautiful. And I really like how they've got this mosquito net. Very romantic. Yeah. Handsome fellow, I know. You know, it's pretty good. Has a fridge as well, and a kettle. Hopefully there's nothing there with any names on it. I'll just have a quick look in here. There you go, handsome fellow yet again. Good toilet, good shower, bum gun as well, and a nice bathtub. Very good. You know, the only negative thing I found here in Bali and some other Asian countries is that they put the bath taps here, and here, like in Australia, we have our bath nozzles and taps here. So if you've got two people in here, yeah, like obviously you got to sit one person here and then the person on the top of you. But this is a big bath. I'm only 5'8", and really nice vibe here. I hope you've enjoyed this clip. It is a really beautiful place, and this was a good price too. I got like 76% off, so you know I went with this one. Hopefully you've enjoyed. Really nice gardens around here. As I was saying, monkeys were here. There was like 15, 16 of them, and they were climbing all over the place. One of them come here, and I had my milk drink here, and he come over and he had a piece of fruit as well, so it was quite amusing, you know, and he tried to have a swipe at my milk. But another quick story, I was walking back and I had a couple of milks, and the monkey come and he pierced the milk, and like the funny thing about it, he pierced the full cream milk, so I was left with the low fat milk. So I think that was a sign to say stay off the full cream and have the low fat. So really good view and vibe here, and that's what you need in life. Hopefully no one's in any of the rooms above, but really nice and quiet and peaceful. And then the monkeys come, and it just adds some excitement, but you do have to be careful around the monkeys, because they are very protective as well sometimes. But if you've enjoyed this, hit the likes. If you haven't enjoyed it, hit the thumbs down, subscribe, unsubscribe, do what you like, I don't care. I'm enjoying life. I'm trying to be the best version of myself every day. We have our ups and downs, so I'll leave it there. Thank you.